In this video, we'll be learning a very useful guide about another way to shut down Windows 11 PC with mouse only. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to navigate at the desktop where no specific shortcuts or icons is being selected. Here at the blank space, make a right click and then proceed to new and proceed to shortcut. Here in this new window where it asks you to type the location of the item, you need to paste the first command, which is the slide to shutdown.exe. Don't worry because I'll be including this one at the YouTube description so you can simply copy and paste it here. Make a right click and click on paste. In that way you'd be able to paste it. It is slide to shutdown.exe. Once done, click on next and from here you can rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting shutdown as the name of this shortcut. Once you're good, please click on finished. In that way you'd be able to successfully create a shutdown shortcut. So we need to change the icon first. So how? Make a right click, go with properties. You can also press Alt and Enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up your shutdown properties. Please proceed to change icon and click on OK button to continue. So you need to copy and paste the path link here that I have given at the YouTube description along with your command. Okay, so just have to copy and paste it here. And then once done, you need to proceed to the power off or this shutdown icon and click on OK and click on apply and then click on OK. So once you're good, you can now make a right click as well if you would like to pin to your taskbar. Proceed to show more options and click on pin to taskbar. So in order to shut down or to turn off or power off your Windows 11 PC with mouse only, just tap your shutdown shortcut here. In a few moments, there you have that you'd be able to slide to shut down your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you would like to turn off your PC, just have to slide here to shut down. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.